Did you know that Britain's most elite naval expedition ended with officers eating their own crew members? In 1845, Sir John Franklin led 129 of the Royal Navy's finest men into the Canadian Arctic. They had the best ships, the most advanced equipment, and enough food for 3 years. They were never seen alive again. For decades, the British government denied the horrific truth, but Inuit witnesses told a different story. They described finding camps littered with human bones, cut marks on skulls, cooking pots filled with human remains. Recent DNA testing finally proved what the Inuit knew all along. The bones show clear evidence of cannibalism. Officers carved up their own men with surgical precision. These weren't desperate sailors eating the already dead. Archaeological evidence suggests they were hunting each other, stalking through the ice like predators. The expedition that was supposed to bring glory to the British Empire instead became a frozen nightmare. 129 elite naval officers reduced to monsters, eating each other in the endless Arctic darkness.